How to fix ChatGPT not working issue. So the reason why your ChatGPT might not be working is because of the internet issue. So before browsing ChatGPT, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and your internet is working properly. And after that, go to browser and search for chat.openai.com. Despite having a really good internet connection, if you're struggling to open ChatGPT, it's really a great option to clear browsing cache and clear browsing data. So in order to clear browsing cache or data, first you go to three dots icon and go to settings. And from here, go to privacy and security and tap on clear browsing data. And from here, select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. And after you clear the browsing data, go to site settings and click on view permissions and data stored across sites, and from here search for OpenAI and delete the OpenAI data. And after that, go to chat.openai.com again, and you should be able to solve the problem. But if it is not solving a problem, I suggest you try accessing chat.openai.com from a different browser. If you're using it from Chrome, try switching it to Microsoft Edge, Opera, or Brave browser. If you're struggling even after switching to different browsers, the next thing that you can do is download a VPN and access to ChatGPT by using a VPN service, and this might work. So these are some of the tricks and fixes for how to fix ChatGPT not working.